Guys, does going to the dentist fill you with absolute dread? Well, I have something here to show you today that just might make your visits less frequent, and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Now guys, love me or hate me for it, but I'm a pretty regular visitor to my dentist, probably as my daughter works there. But in any case, looking after your teeth these days is all about preventative maintenance. I mean, when I was a kid, there wasn't a visit to the dentist which didn't result in a filling. Now, I know that dentists out there are going to hate me for this, but honestly guys, those dentists in the 70s were absolute driller killers, or killer drillers even. And boy, you know what, when we laughed, everyone could see those dodgy amalgam fillings. But you know what? Fast forward, and dentists actually don't want to fill your teeth or extract them if they can help it. In fact, they want you to sincerely look after your teeth, and that's what preventative care is all about. Oh, and if you have a filling these days, at least it's white, right? So that's not such a bad thing. But as I said, guys, I'm a fan, if you can call it that. So when Sejoy reached out to me and asked me to take a look at this, their new water flosser, I was all over it. Now, before we get into it, guys, Sejoy sent me this water flosser to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And if you know my channel, guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. First off, guys, open up the box and we have some paperwork. We also have the power cable, which is USB-A at one end and a figure 8 cable at the other. I'm not sure why Sejoy didn't go for USB-C or something like that. Maybe it's kind of to do with waterproofing, I don't know. But in any case, that's the power cable. Then guys, we have the first pouch, which has got some standard water attachments. And in the other, we have some more specialist attachments, including this concentrated high pressure attachment, a brush attachment, which is pretty handy to help move plaque or food around, you know, if you've got any complex dental work, bridges, braces, that kind of stuff. And you've got this strange kind of scoop attachment, which is actually there to clean your tongue. So think of that what you will. Then guys, you have the main unit. Now this is pretty much a template design for these kinds of water flossers. I actually use a water pick, and design wise there are many similarities. Now from the bottom up here, guys, you've got the water reservoir. Now my dislike about these more portable ones versus the ones that you plug into the mains are these water reservoirs are pretty small. You kind of need to fill them up a few times every time you want to floss. Now as I said, this isn't a Sejoy specific thing, it's all of these kind of portable water flossers. Right, reservoir done, we now move to that figure of 8 charging point. Moving further north, we have the controls. At the bottom we have the mode button, which switches through the different intensities, and that's indicated by these LEDs. And then we got the power button, which, you know what, does exactly that. Now guys, most dentists will tell you that in order to maintain your tooth and gum hygiene, you gotta floss. But nowadays, they're also going to tell you that using a water flosser is definitely going to level up your oral hygiene. So let's try this out. We'll get some water in it and see what it does. So guys, there you have it. This Sejoy water pick did a good job. It's easy to use, it's got more intensity settings than my water pick, and you know what guys, yeah, I liked it. I don't know about the attachment here for the tongue. It's very easy to change these. Just click the button, click it out, you know, click a new one in. There you go, easy as that. But you know what guys, yeah, I was quite happy with the standard attachments. This, yeah, it's interesting. I just use a toothbrush on my tongue, happy days. This little rubbery brush thing was a bit weird because when the water comes out, this thing kind of vibrates really, really fast, and it results in kind of splashing water all over the place, including most of the bathroom floor. But guys, you know what? The standard attachments for me were absolutely fine. Your mileage may vary if you want to use any of the other attachments, happy days. But for me, this is a nice product. It's quite light. It's pretty portable if you want to take it away with you. And yeah, I think it's good. And guys, if you've got any comments or questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. I'll leave any product links, any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please click on the subscribe button and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching. Thanks to Sejoy for sending me this quite cool water flosser. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.